Yo, 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 it's your boy, David Odemchuk. I hope you guys enjoyed that intro just as much as I enjoyed drinking that delicious coffee out of a new mug. Listen up, I wasn't in the market for a new mug. I'm gonna be honest with you. The Ember Mug 2 was doing more than good enough for me because I really, paying 180 bucks for a mug, you don't really look to replace it. However, the people at Eastmount sent me this mug over and I told them, sure, I'll take a look at it. And I mean, I'm going off the Ember Mug, which is like the Apple in the industry. I don't see how I could replace my daily mug. The question is, have I? Well, watch to the end to find out. If I could give a little recap of the Ember Mug 2 after 6 months. They have a built-in app, which is so annoying, and I disabled it, and I think when I had my phone repaired, which they ended up replacing, I don't even know if I still have the app on my phone. Why you would use it, I don't know. It warns you when your coffee is at your desired temperature so you can drink it now. I don't think I need a notification, another notification in my life to tell me something so minute. But if you do, hey, it's there for you, and I can tell you now, this mug doesn't have an app, so okay, moving on from that. Guys, the Ember Mug, it sits on my desk all day, so for me, its number one feature is irrelevant, and that's the battery life, hence the word travel mug. But each time I take this mug outside the office, to the coffee shop, heck, I get range anxiety and I'm out for no more than 30 minutes. I took it on a trip with me once. I was just freaking out half the time because, what if I misplace it? What if, it drops and damages the battery? It's a $180 product. So it almost becomes like I don't really want to leave it from its area, from its coaster mouth, done, that's it. Now, with this mug, I was wondering the same thing. Is it going to have also a little under a 3-hour long battery life? Maybe a 4, maybe a 5. I don't know. If it did, that would give it a solid reason why you'd purchase this over the Ember Mug. So, as you saw me leave the house with this mug, fully charged, I was sipping on the coffee all day because if you're like me, I'm a super slow drinker. I only lost 50% battery life from just basically all day to 6 p.m. So this is truly an all-day mug, and I think I know why. They're kind of sneaky. It's a little tricky. So once this thing is placed on the table and not touched for a solid 10-15 minutes, it then turns off. But as soon as you click the button, or I think pick it up, I think you might have to click the button. I'm not sure. I've been clicking the button. It then only takes like a minute or two to heat the coffee up to your desired temperature. So I think that's how they get away with such a long battery life, but either way, it lasts a very long time. And I think I have another theory as to why the battery life lasts so long. So this mug right here, I mean, it's just pretty big, pretty burly looking. But when you open it up, and when I open it up for the first time, you're just gonna get this gasp come out. You're just gonna be like, wait, what? Didn't expect that. You look on the inside and it's like half the mug. It's kind of funny how shallow this mug is. Hopefully this doesn't represent my life where it's like big and tall from the outside and just super shallow from the inside. Yeah, nope. Hope that's not me. Anyways, the other thing I wanted to mention was the aesthetics between the two. As you can see, the Ember Mug's kind of like the Apple mug. It's super clean lines. It's got a nice touch control, lets you know it's empty, temperature, so forth. This thing, you just grab it and you're just like, yes, I'm a man. Let's go. Let's go on a job site or something. Like, it just fits that environment. And it's got this small LCD screen at the bottom that, kind of tells you what's going on, battery life, temperature, which is only in Celsius. Kind of sucks. You can't change it to Fahrenheit. And then it says magic your life. And that comes on every single time. Guys, I don't think that was necessary. I'm speaking to the owners of this product. She erased that. No one wants to magic their life. They're just waking up. Let's go. Come on. Okay, guys. So aesthetically, I mean, there's obviously an appeal between the two different ones, but I've kind of grown to like this design because it's, like I said, just very industrial. It is still, you know, clean, you know, lines. Just clearly looks like there's something going on besides just holding coffee, and that's obviously the temperature controlling in it. Speaking of which, this mug holds the temperature from 185 to just, I guess, you know, until the battery runs out, really. So 185, that was the other big thing about the Ember travel mug, and that is it only held the temperature up to 145. And I'm gonna be honest, guys, as I mentioned in my review of this mug, I really wish they'd at least give us 5 more degrees from the original mug, and they didn't. And this mug really enables that to the next level, because I'm like, I like it hot, and I put it to 170, and yet no, didn't need it that hot. I think 155 was more than enough for me. So better battery life, check. Higher temperature, check. It's almost as if, like, where does this leave this one? Because, I mean, maybe with style, app, check. But then again, this one also has its appeal. So, yeah, I wasn't in the market for an Ember mug, but I'm going to be honest with you. When I go on a road trip, which mug do you think I'm taking? I'm taking the East, I keep wanting to call it East Coast, but it's Eastmount mug. Because of the better battery and the higher temperature. The other cool thing about this mug, which I thought was kind of cool, reverse charging. So you can use the battery in here to charge your phone. And all in all, and if I could end it, I would like to say that this mug comes in at $100. Sometimes they have a 10% sale, so as low as $90, which is half the price of this mug. And I think there will be a huge market and a huge demand for this mug. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I like it. And there are days I have preferred this mug over my Ember mug, travel mug too. And with that said, I think they both have a place in this market, but I really want you guys to check the link out below. Give this one a try. You know, Amazon's got that gorgeous return policy, if anything. And I hope you guys enjoyed this comparison review. If you have any questions, as always, shoot a comment down below. If you like what I got going on here, make sure to check out my other videos. And as always, subscribe, baby. Subscribe, because I need you. I need you in my life. All right, guys, till next time, we will see ya.